Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're going to break down GetResponse and show you exactly how to launch your very first automated marketing campaign. We're going to take what looks like a really complex tool and turn it into 4 simple, straightforward steps you can start using, like, right now.
But let's start with a question. Just imagine this. What if you had a system that was working for you 24/7, making a perfect, personalized first impression every single time someone who signs up? No manual work, just a flawless welcome every time.
Well, that system is what we call an all-in-one marketing platform. And today, we're zooming in on GetResponse. It's got everything you need: email, landing pages, forms, and the real magic, automation, all in one place, so all the pieces talk to each other perfectly.
So here's our game plan. We've got 4 main steps: building your foundation, growing that audience, crafting your message, and then, the best part, automating your welcome. Stick with me, and you'll see your first campaign go live.
All right, let's dive right into step 1, building a solid foundation. You know, every great campaign starts by getting these core pieces right. Think of it as building the launch pad before you can send the rocket.
This foundation really has 3 crucial parts. First, you've got to set up a professional email domain. Second, you have to authenticate it to prove you're legit. And third, you create your very first email list. This is going to be the new home for all your contacts.
So why is a custom domain such a big deal? Well, sure, it looks professional, but it's more than that now. Big players like Gmail and Yahoo actually require authenticated domains. It's the difference between your emails landing safely in the inbox versus getting lost in the spam folder forever.
Now let's talk about authentication. I know it sounds super technical, right? But just think of it like getting that little verified blue check for your email address. And the best part, if your domain is hosted with someone like GoDaddy, GetResponse can actually set up all that techie stuff for you, automatically. Okay, foundation is in place. It's solid. So, how do you get people on your list? Well, the answer is a great-looking landing page. This thing becomes your 24/7 assistant, working around the clock to bring in new subscribers.
You know, a really great way to get signups is to offer something valuable in return. We call this a lead magnet. If you're a bakery, it could be a free cookbook. If you're a store, maybe a discount code. It's a simple trade. Their contact details for something awesome from you.
And building the page for this offer, it is so much easier than you think. GetResponse gives you 2 ways to go. You can pick a ready-made template and just tweak it, or you can let the AI builder create a page for you. Both are totally drag and drop. No coding, I promise.
Now, the most important part of this whole page is this sign-up form. This is where the real magic happens. Of course, you'll add the basics like name and email, but you can also add custom fields to ask about their interests, like, hey, do you want baking tips? This little question is going to be pure gold later on.
Okay, people can now join your list. Awesome. It's time to create that perfect welcome email. This is the very first thing they're going to see from you, so we've got to make it count. But we're not just going to write some generic one-size-fits-all message. No way. We're going to use this really powerful feature called dynamic content. It basically lets you design one email that magically changes and customizes itself based on what that subscriber told you in the sign-up form. Here's exactly how that works. You send out one single email. The person who ticked the baking tips box, boom, they see this extra section with a free ebook download. The person who didn't, for them, that section is just gone. It's completely hidden. It's perfectly targeted content without you having to do any extra work. All right, you've built a page. You've designed the super smart email. Now for the final step, connecting them all together automatically. This is where you get it, set it, forget it, and save yourself a ton of time. This whole thing is done with a really simple workflow that just uses if-then logic. The condition, which is the trigger, is if someone subscribes to your list. The action, or the result, is then GetResponse automatically sends your welcome email. It's all visual. You just drag and drop. And the best part is you only have to set this workflow up one time, and it runs on complete autopilot forever. Every single new contact gets that perfect, personalized welcome right away, whether it's day or night. And just like that, with those 4 steps done, your automated marketing system is officially live. But, of course, the journey doesn't stop here. Now you have to ask the important question: how do you know if it's actually working? Well, you'll find the answer right in the reporting dashboard. You're going to want to check out your open rate. That's how many people opened it. And your click rate. That's how many people clicked a link inside. These numbers tell you exactly how engaging your stuff is.
And you can even go deeper with a feature called a click map. This is this really cool visual tool that shows you a heat map of your email, highlighting exactly where people are clicking. It gives you some incredibly powerful insights to help you make your next email even better.
So there you have it, the complete blueprint to go from zero to a fully automated, personalized welcome campaign. You've got a system that's ready to build relationships for you around the clock. The only question left is, who will you connect with next?